Welcome, dear students of class 8. We are going to learn a poem Time to Believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really to come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Stardust means having a magical quality. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. Here, the meaning of nurturing is providing nourishment, care, and protection. And the meaning of aging means growing old. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Here, the meaning of pick up the pieces is return to normal after a shock or disaster. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Here, the meaning of cherish is hold something as very dear and of great value. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. Here the poem title of the poem is A Time to Believe. This poem is written by a wonderful poet B.J. Morbitzer. This poem is having a central idea like the poet wants us to have the faith and belief that the best time is yet to come. It tells us to be optimistic and should have positive approach in life. We should be courageous and strong enough as we look ahead in our life. The rhyming scheme is no rhyming scheme or no rhyming words in a poem. It is a free verse. Figures of speech used are personification, synecdoche, alliteration, and epigrams. Inspirational lines in poem are to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. This is the inspiration line. I like this poem for the motivational message it conveys. Thank you.